Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to join a room in Clubhouse. I wonder why you want to know how to join a room in Clubhouse. Maybe because you want to join a room because you have really inspired by the name of it. You think the name of that room is something that would entertain you, so you want to be a part of it. Or maybe your friend has invited you to join a room, so you want to give it a try and you don't know how to do it, or there could be any other reason for you. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you can join a room in Clubhouse. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Clubhouse app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Clubhouse app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have the icon of the app and few options at the top and few options at the bottom as well. Other than that, we have different rooms onto this page that we could join. The room that you are seeing here could be different from the rooms at your interface based on what interest you have selected. So the rooms will be different. So let's say you really liked a room by its title and the people who have been into it. You will get to know from the description of this room and you want to be a part of it. So you just have to simply click on it. There's no hard and fast rule and you will become a part of that group. As you can see right now, we have joined a room. You could listen to the people who are having conversation into it. You could also see the title. If you want to leave it, you could also do it. And once you leave it, you will get back, or you could say get out of it. So if you want to join any other room, you just have to again simply click on to that group profile and that group will be joined by you. Here you could see the title of that room and how many people are involved into this group. You could also write here by going into the chat, and if you would like to talk, you could also do it. You could also raise your hand. You could see we have a lot of different options here. Every option is different from each other and has its own purpose that it performs into this interface. So as you can see, it was really easy to join any group or any room. It doesn't ask for a lot of things like you have to get permissions, you have to send a request, then you will become a part of it. You can join any room by just clicking onto it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can join a room in Clubhouse. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.